All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing, review, and install of my new car subwoofer. It's an all-in-one. It's a amp and sub all-in-one. It's a 10-inch with an 800 watt power amp. So let's take a look. So you get the wiring kit for it. And this is the bass knob. And then this one. A little weight to it, that's good. And this is the actual sub itself. Instruction manual. But this is what it looks like right here. All in one, slim. You can usually put these like underneath the seat, or it's just more convenient than having a box. I currently have a box, but if you want to save space, because I actually don't have a lot of trunk space, this will make it perfect. So here's all where everything's gonna go wired, and then you got your high-low car products. So, all right. So now that we've seen everything inside, let's go hook it up and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, and before I go ahead and hook it all up, I just want you to show, like, this will literally not take up any space. Like, I can literally put it back here and then still have plenty of space behind there. I could push it all the way back like so. So we'll go ahead and get it hooked up and see how it looks. All right, guys, I went ahead and got the wires hooked up to it. It sounds really good. Let me see how it'll come through on the phone. But if you're looking for a good compact amp and subwoofer, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.